Have you ever had a single chiropractic adjustment and felt amazing afterwards, only to notice the pain creeping back in after a few days? That happens very often. That's why I'm going to explain to you why one adjustment isn't enough and why consistency is the real secret to lasting results. Hi, I'm Dr. Adamid, and I've been helping patients just like you experience relief from pain and better health through chiropractic care. I'm going to break down to you why your body needs more than just one-time adjustments and what's really happening with your spine and nervous system in the process, and more importantly, why having a consistent plan actually gets long-term results. But let's focus on what happens when you get that one adjustment. Often you'll feel relief and feel better. Why? Because we're improving joint motion and mobility, we're reducing pressure off your nerves and the irritation that's been there, and we're helping your muscles finally relax. But here's the catch. That relief is only temporary if the underlying patterns in your body aren't addressed. Your spine, your muscles, they've been adapting over the years to stress, poor posture, and injury, sometimes over a decade or longer. So one adjustment, it truly can't correct all of that all at once. Expecting one adjustment to fix years of spinal stress is like expecting you to be in shape after one visit to the gym today. You might feel pumped afterwards and feel great and energized, but give it a day or two and you're right back to square one. This is truly where consistency comes in. Your body needs repeated adjustments to retrain the nervous system, correct postural imbalances, reduce that chronic stress on your joints and muscles, and allow the tissues around your spine to finally heal properly. When adjustments are consistent, your spine stabilizes, your nervous system functions better, and the pain is far less likely to return. In other words, it's about building a new foundation for long-term health, not chasing just this temporary feel-good moment. I had a patient come in recently, like many patients before, in chronic pain, especially in their low back. It had been going on for over a decade. Their past chiropractic experience, it focused on a care plan that was more around come as needed or only when it hurts, or whenever they just thought they needed a good crack of their back. They were basically sold the idea that chiropractic care is all about popping joints to alleviate pain. Many times they'd feel better after a few visits thinking the problem was fixed, but the pain would always return. Instead, in the office, we did a thorough exam, we took x-rays, and were able to see the cause of his low back pain. He was finally able not only to see what was resulting from years of wear and tear, but the arthritis that developed because the true problems were never addressed. We switched to a customized and consistent care plan that focused on adjustments, corrective exercises over several weeks. After that period, he experienced real lasting improvement. We were able to finally see changes on his x-rays and put together a plan to help maintain these results for long term. That's the difference between a surface level approach to your pain and one that actually retrains your body, stabilizes your spine, and helps the nervous system function the way it was supposed to. This is why having a plan tailored to your needs is so important, and why relying on the old pop it when it hurts method never really works and unfortunately makes things worse. So what can you do? If you've been relying on one-time adjustments, only visiting pain when it returns, it's time to think about a consistent approach. This doesn't mean you have to be in the office every day. It means having a plan that addresses your spine, your posture, and your overall health over time. The sooner you start a consistent plan, the faster your body can heal, retrain itself, and stabilize. Remember, one adjustment may feel good today, but consistency is what brings real, lasting results. Your body deserves more than a temporary fix. If you'd like to take action and build a plan for your health and your long-term success, schedule an appointment today by either calling the office or using the link to schedule now. I'm Dr. Adamid. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you understand why consistency truly matters in your chiropractic care.